Today we are going to be looking at simplification of fractions. Why do we need to learn how to simplify fractions? There are some problems you're going to be solving in mathematics that you're going to be arriving at an answer which is a fraction that needs to be simplified further, that need to be simplified to the simplest terms, which is an equivalent fraction. So if we say simplest terms, we mean that when 1 is the only number that can evenly divide both the numerator and denominator. Let us look at some examples right here for you to better understand what we are talking about. 4/10. Let us simplify this fraction. How do you simplify this fraction? If you take a look, this is 4/10. 2 can go in both 4 and 10. And take note, your knowledge of multiplication table is indeed needed right here. So I will encourage you to go practice your 2 to 12 times multiplication table. Alright, how do we divide this? 2 can go in 4. 2 can go in 10 5 times. So we have 2/5. If you look at this, nothing can go evenly in 2 and 5 anymore except 1, right? So in that case, your final answer is 2/5 because you cannot simplify 2/5 further. Let's look at another example. 6/8. 6/8. 2 can also go right here in both 6 and 8. So I would say 2 in 6 is 3. 2 in 8 is 4. So now we have 3/4. If you look at this right here, nothing can also simplify 3/4 down anymore except if you divide by 1, right? So that means your final answer is 3/4. Let us look at another example. 5/20. In this case, you realize that 5 can go in 5 and can also go in 20. So that means I would say 5 in 5 is 1 time. 5 in 20 is 4 times. So this is easy. This is 1/4. All right. Let's look at this example number 4. 9/21. 9/21. How do we solve this? 9/21. 3 can go in 9. 3 can also go in 21. So 3 in 9 gives me 3. 3 in 21 gives me 7. So if you take a look at this, 3/7, nothing can go in both numerator and denominator evenly anymore except 1, right? So that means my final answer is 3/7. So that means I've been able to simplify it to its simplest terms. Okay, let's look at some more examples. 10/55. 10/55. If you take a look at this, you realize that 5 can go in 10. 5 can also go in 55. So I will say 5 in 10 is 2. 5 in 55 is 11. So I have 2 over 11. Nothing can simplify this further, right, except if you divide by 1, which is what we are talking about in our concept. So the final answer is 2 over 11. I will let you try this example right here. Go ahead, pause the video and see if you can simplify this fraction to its simplest term. Alright, go ahead and do that. Okay, let's solve this problem. This is 9 over 15. You realize that 3 can go in 9 and 3 can go in 15. 3 in 9 is 3. 3 in 15 is 5. 3 over 5. Nothing can divide this anymore except 1. So that means 3 over 5 is the simplest thing that we can have for this fraction. Let's take another example. 12 over 30. 12 over 30. If you take a note of this example right here, 2 can divide 12 and 30, right? So I would say 2 in 12 is 6. 2 in 30 is 15. All right, we have 6, we have 15. Taking a look at these numbers in the numerator and the number in the numerator and the number in the denominator, 3 can divide both of them. So in that case, I would say 3 in 6 is 2. 3 in 15 is 5. Can you see that right there? Now I have 2 over 5. Can anything divide again except 1? No. So that means we've been able to divide to the smallest term of 2 over 5. Very easy. All right. Let's look at this as homework for you guys. Simplify 8 over 36. I will encourage you to solve this problem and put your answer in the comment section below. All right, if you are new on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on your notification so you don't miss any of our videos. See you in the next class.